over the sky in Birmingham tonight as we start the work week off.
Let's check in with Chief Meteorologist Dave Nussbaum with what all we can expect this week, Dave.
Well, more of the heat and the low humidity, but also not that much rain out there. We've not had rain in Birmingham since September 1st. Got just shy of 2/10 of an inch of rain out there, so we desperately need some rain, and most of you not going to see much out there. Right now it's 73 degrees with those northerly winds. How to keep those dew points down, all around 60 degrees this hour, so not looking too bad out there. For that commute tomorrow morning, we'll start off there around 66. By 9 a.m., 76, and by 11 a.m., already up to 83. Lots of sunshine expected out there, no problems heading out the door to work or school. And the dry weather will continue this week with little to no rain along with that low humidity. The heat's going to be sticking around all week as well. Above average high, which is 86, will be in the lower 90s for much of the region. But then we have the drought conditions getting worse. Again, fire danger threat going up too. Brush fires definitely something we'll have to watch out for moving forward. And you can see a low chance of rain, 10 to 20% throughout the rest of the week, being optimistic. Maybe we'll see Wednesday some rain. Latest short-term models are saying a hint that we could see a little rain. Well, we'll keep an eye out for that and another system as we head into Saturday and Sunday. But you can see here over the next 7 days, not a ton of rain, 100th to 10th of an inch of rain. That is it for us. Now, September is one of our drier months, the driest being October. So we're definitely going into a drier period here. And that's why the drought conditions from I-65 to the west are getting a little bit worse. We are dry, abnormally dry, moderately dry, and severe dry out there, especially over the western part of the state. And you can see here concerns are increasing over West Alabama for a fire threat out there breaking out. Humidity levels still up a little bit, which is good news, and light winds, which is good news, but something we'll watch as the week progresses out there. Already seeing potentially some haze and smoke, and all the little red dots you see have been some fires picked up by the satellite imagery over the last 24 hours. So we've had quite a bit. And don't forget, in our viewing area, Etowah, Talladega, Shelby, and Jefferson counties, there's the burn ban in effect every year all the way through October. So this does encompass the current period. Now, we are dry, mainly clear here. A couple showers have been popping up in Mississippi, you see there. And that's actually part of a trough that sits between high pressure to the north and this low sitting over parts of the Carolinas and the surface low off the east coast of the United States. So what will happen is that upper level low kind of works its way toward D.C. as high pressure builds in the next couple of days, still giving us that northerly and easterly flow. Could help to spark off maybe a couple of showers, but as that high builds in into Friday, we're keeping us fairly dry. But this trough and low will move into the weekend, and that will increase our chance for some rain. Now, you'll see here on Futurecast overnight tonight, mostly clear sky, pretty dry and quiet through 6 a.m. And then tomorrow we could see a few stray showers if you're lucky trying to pop up across the area. Most of us are staying pretty dry. That'll continue through dinner time on Tuesday and into Tuesday night into Wednesday. That's when we could potentially maybe start to see the pattern changing a little bit and giving us a chance for maybe a couple of showers. But 92, 93 degrees expected out there all the way into the upcoming weekend, with a chance of rain staying fairly low. Fall begins Monday. Look at that, 89 degrees, and we see that temperature trend downward next week.